Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I would like to share about how preventive maintenance affect your production flow. Let's begin. Machine breaks, and when they are break, it's usually at the worst possible times. Your car breaks down on the way to work. A factory machine stops running in the middle of an order for the most important customer. And you try to prevent these problems by taking care of your car and your machine. You change the oil in your car so it will not break down on the way to work. Likewise, you perform preventive maintenance on your factory machines to ensure those important jobs aren't interrupted. So, preventive maintenance is a good thing, but at the same time, it is a bad thing because each time you stop a machine, you disrupt the smooth flow of productions through your factory. For that period of time, the machines has no output. Rather quickly, the downstream machines have no material to process. Productions abruptly stop. So, the longer a machine is down for preventive maintenance, the more this disrupts Heijunka, the lean concept of having a level and smooth flow of output. Here is an example. A machine in your factory is scheduled for preventive maintenance each day. This is usually just a few routine checks, and it takes about 5 minutes. This is not really a concern. Every week, some additional maintenance is done, and it takes about 1 hour. This is also okay. But every month, preventive maintenance is scheduled for one shift, and every year the machine is taken down for one full day. These maintenance downtimes are clearly a concern because they will create major disruptions to the production flow. Now, by the way, I'm using time period in this example, but you can just as easily schedule preventive maintenance based on the number of units processed. The traditional solutions is to buy equipment that can produce more than is needed and then simply overproduce before each scheduled downtime. The other workstations have material to process until maintenance is finished and the machine is operational again. The problem with this approach is that it builds small patches of inventory throughout the factory. Material moves throughout the system in these small lumps, which certainly is not the definition of smooth production flow. Because of these small patches, the overall inventory level is higher than needed to meet customers' order. This unneeded inventory is a waste. The solution is to level the preventive maintenance schedule so that you support level production flow. Maintenance is done more often but in a shorter period. You want to avoid those long periods of maintenance downtime. Here's how it's done. Instead of having an annual downtime of 1 day, divide those maintenance tasks into 4 equal amounts and do one portion each quarter. Each task is still done annually. They are just spread out. The machine is now only down for 6 hours rather than 24 hours. This is less disruptive to the factory. But don't stop here. Perhaps the 6 hours could be further reduced by doing some of those tasks monthly. You can divide the monthly maintenance into bi-weekly period. Maybe some monthly tasks can be distributed throughout the weekly schedule, and some once a week repair can be done throughout the week. Your new schedule might have periods of downtime that range from 15 minutes per day to 3 hours per quarter. The smaller incremental downtime make it much easier to manage a smooth, continuous flow of inventory throughout the system, and you eliminate those small patches that aren't really needed. It takes time to implement this lean approach to preventive maintenance, and it must be done carefully to avoid disrupting the factory. What is the best way to start? One workstation at a time. Well, that's the end of my sharing in today's video. If you learned something new in this video, please let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channels. I really appreciate you guys here. And have a nice day. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I see you in my next video.